Today's front clip is a 2019 Audi A4 S-Line. This particular clip is in the prep stages, about to get wrapped up, headed to Chicago area. Typical setup: hood, headlights, fenders, bumper, rad condenser fans. Go over this for general viewing. Customer also has a chance to review this before we get too deep in the wrap-up process, although there's nothing to speak of on this one. Very clean front end. There's no damage found anywhere. We do go over every little corner and nook and cranny, and we will notify you of something. I don't send surprises. We'll go under the hood here. Flip the light on, give you a little visual. All the cooling stays intact. A couple extras always left behind. We bag up the splash shield, the air box, and a bunch of other miscellaneous. As always, you get an awful lot for the money here. If you have any questions, give me a call. I can be reached at 1-800-222-2528. And my direct extension is 112. My name's Jared. I'd be happy to help you.